Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you aeroplane. So now this is the drawing, okay? You will remove your drawing book and skill sheets. Color craze, page number 4. In one book there is dotted drawing and in other book you have to color. So first I will show you how to join the dots. Follow me. This is aeroplane. You can color this aeroplane in any color. I have taken color pencils. You can take crayons or any colors which you have. And after you complete, tell your parents to scan it and send it to my email ID. See, this way. You have 2 pages to complete. Join these lines properly. See, I have joined. Now I will color it. So I am removing my color pencils. You also remove. I am taking dark blue and coloring over here. And color it in sleeping line. Don't let the color go out of your drawing. It should look very beautiful. Yes. I have colored this blue. Now I will color this also blue. Now I have completed this. I'll color here also blue. See, I have completed this also. Now I will take yellow color to color windows. You can take any colors and you can color. Now I am coloring this and this in yellow color. Now I am coloring this and this in yellow color. See, color in sleeping line. Now I will take orange and color this one. Don't let the color go out of your drawing. Be careful. Now I am coloring this also and this wing also in orange color. Now I am coloring this finally with the red color. Sleeping line. Color it sleeping. See, now I have completed the drawing. I hope you also have completed the drawing. Thank you.